Hi. Hi guys, I'm gonna make this quick because I want to watch AEW's Fight for the Fallen. But mini breaker, Jeffree Star, I really enjoy this. If you like similar sizing to the Huda Beauty, and Juvia's Place palettes, this is similar sizing. This is a color scheme I've never seen with warm colors and cool colors, so I think it's a very nice array. Double scoop up here is a very cool color. I don't say cool like the tone, cool like dope. Hot Fudge down here is like a gray tone brown. I really enjoy that. All the shimmers, of course, are always stunning. Orange Crush is different because it's like not as shimmery. It just looks like it's like an orange with flecks of gold glitter as a, like really like tiny. I don't know. Anyway, you guys can see photos online if you want. I really do enjoy this palette. There's not much else for me to report back to you. I'm going to be doing a video on how I make my wigs soon, so please stay tuned for that. It's going to be very in-depth, and I'm going to try to teach you, exactly how I make them. And I'm going to also be doing some color videos coming up. I was kind of out of it for a bit, like out of doing videos, like I go through spurts. So anyway guys, I hope you all really enjoy this video. Tag me on Jeffree Star's photos or tag Jeffree in my photos. I want to be on that PR list. I'm putting that out there so that it is in the motherfucking universe. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, so I hella recorded this last night, so I'm really sorry if I don't know exactly what I'm doing. A lot of them, I stopped showing what colors they were because they were obvious to me. So obviously there's a dark purple matte, a purple shimmer, a duochrome purple shimmer, an orange. Oh my god, ew. Okay, fucking bug just landed on me. So anyways, and then there's the dark brown, light brown, dark pink, and lighter pink. So I thought they were kind of obvious. If they're not obvious, just ask and I'll let them know. But I'll let you know. But I did start to kind of forget to show the palette and point to which one I was using. Obviously, this one is Orange Crush. And I'm using the dark brown there. You can really create these looks with any palette, any makeup, as long as they're similar color. You can replace the color and use just the shape. Do whatever you want. These are, I've said 1,000 times that these videos are strictly for color inspiration. I don't spend hours blending. I try to spend 10 to 15 minutes on each look, and that's even maxing it out. I go for 5 to 10. I attempt to, because I want to get these videos done. I have to take the photos. I have to edit around the eye in the photos. So I'm obviously not spending that much time doing the blending and making it seamless and all that stuff. So anyway, take it with a grain of salt, but fuck yourself if you don't like it. I really like the pinks in this palette, and I really like the orange. Orange Crush is really nice. You know, this one is my usual. Whenever there's pinks in a palette, I have to go for one that is Mean Girls inspired. So I did pinks and purples because that just reminds me of Mean Girls for some reason. And I did film this on a Wednesday. Doesn't mean anything. Like, it's not like whatever, but it's special to me. How have you guys been doing? I know I've been kind of MIA. I've been super busy with work. And you know when you're done work, you just get home and you're totally fucking pooped? Well, that's me. I'm totally mentally drained. Oh, I really like this one too. I really enjoy the brownie gold warm shimmer in this palette. I don't remember the name of it, but it's really pretty. The one that I used on the lid here, I think that's really pretty. And then I used the light brown in the crease, the dark brown on the outer corner. Oh, my voiceover button is right in front of my eyes, so I can't even see what I'm doing right now. I think I'm using the light brown and the dark brown. Honestly, the only thing that's kind of hard to differentiate is the two pinks in the palette. I would have definitely liked more of a lighter pink and more of a darker pink. To me, they're very, very similar on the eye. But, you know, whatever. That just means when you run out of one pink, you have another pink. I don't think anyone hits pan on their palettes anymore. I used to love doing that. I used to hit pan and be like, I really fucking got my money's worth on this. But I don't wear makeup every day anymore. I hardly do my makeup anymore, it feels like. I only do it for when I'm going out or when I'm doing a video. But whatever. So obviously this is Orange Crush, I think. Yeah, Orange Crush with the duochrome purple on the lid. That was one I was kind of like, I don't know if I like that color combination, but maybe someone will find inspiration for it out there. My eyes were really starting to get stained pink at this time, as you could maybe tell. I really like this look. This is one of my favorites. The brown on the lid with the purple in the crease blended out. It was kind of like something I've never really done before. Usually for these types of looks I use black, but I was using what I had. So I really liked it when all was said and done. On the brow bone, as always, whenever there's not a color that is light enough to be my brow bone highlight or my inner corner highlight, all I do is use my face powder. You don't even have to do it. I just like to do it to set it, but this was when I was just having fun with. Obviously, I wanted to do something like the 80s, but obviously you don't have to use the shape like this, but you could do like maybe something more subdued. I don't know. And then I think this is the last one, but I really like, yes, I think it is. I really like this one. This one's probably my favorite. And it's not often that I have my favorite at the end. Usually I do my favorite right off the hop. But this one kind of came into my head as I was doing them. So anyway, I'll let you guys enjoy the video. I really, really hope you enjoyed, actually. And I really thank you for all of your support. It means more to me than I could ever put into words. And I just want to really thank you. Someone mentioned they saw me in public the other day, by the way. Come and say hi if you see me. Bye, guys.